All right, let's talk about how we watch movies these days. We're going to put two titans head to head: the incredible quality of a Blu-ray disc versus the sheer convenience of streaming. It's a battle that happens in living rooms all over the world, every single night. So, let's dive in.
And just so you know where we're getting our info, this whole breakdown comes straight from Part 9 of a detailed course on digital signal processing from Virtualization Options LLC. It's all about how these amazing technologies are used in the real world. So here's a question I bet a lot of you have had. You get a brand new 4K TV, you're paying for that top-tier 4K streaming plan, and you think it looks amazing. But then you put in the 4K Blu-ray, and somehow it just pops. It looks sharper, the sound feels bigger. What is going on there? Well, it all comes down to the data. To really get to the bottom of this, we have to understand that we're talking about two completely different ways of getting a movie to your screen. Each one was designed with a very different main goal in mind. On one side, you've got the Blu-ray disc. Think of it like a vault. It's been built from the ground up to deliver one thing: a single, perfect, super high-quality experience every single time. And then you have streaming. Its whole goal is to be flexible, to work on your giant TV, your laptop, and your phone, no matter how good or bad your internet connection is at that moment. Okay, so let's put them in the ring, starting with the thing you notice first: the picture quality. And really, it all boils down to one absolutely critical concept. And that concept is bitrate. Now, simply put, bitrate is just the amount of data that's used for every single second of video. The more data you have, the more information you can pack in there. And that means more fine detail, richer colors, and a cleaner image. It's all about the density of the visual information. So, according to our source material, a 4K Blu-ray can pump out video at up to 40 megabits per second. That is a massive pipeline of data being fed directly to your screen, and it's the real secret sauce behind that pristine, crystal clear picture. Now, let's compare that to streaming. Even a premium 4K stream from a major service usually tops out at around 25 megabits per second. Now, don't get me wrong, that's still really, really good, but you can see there's a pretty big gap. Blu-ray is just working with a lot more data to paint its picture. Now, you might be thinking, well, maybe they use different compression technology. And that's a good thought. But they actually use very similar, super advanced tools called codecs. So the key takeaway here isn't the tool itself, it's how much data that tool is given to work with. It's the bitrate budget that makes all the difference. But hey, a movie isn't just what you see, right? It's what you hear. And the difference in audio is just as big, and it follows the exact same pattern we just saw with the video. With a Blu-ray, you're getting what's called lossless audio. And lossless means exactly what it sounds like. It's a perfect bit-for-bit copy of what the sound engineers created in the studio. Absolutely nothing is lost. Streaming, on the other hand, uses high-quality but still compressed audio. To save on bandwidth, some of the audio data, the parts our ears are least likely to notice, is removed forever. And this really gets us to the heart of it, the core philosophy behind each technology. It's a classic trade-off, really. Are you shooting for perfect, absolute fidelity? Or are you aiming for maximum flexibility? The beauty of Blu-ray is its consistency. All that data is physically burned onto a disc. It doesn't care if your Wi-Fi is slow tonight. It doesn't care if everyone in your neighborhood is online. It just delivers that massive stream of data straight to your player every single time. Now, streaming has a much, much harder job. It needs to work perfectly for the person with super fast fiber optic internet and for the person watching on a spotty mobile connection on the train. So how on earth does it do that? Well, it uses a really clever piece of tech. It's called adaptive bitrate streaming. Basically, your player is constantly talking to the server. It checks your internet speed and says, okay, give me the next few seconds of the movie at the highest quality you think I can handle without stuttering. And it does this over and over, seamlessly shifting the quality up or down. It's this constant invisible dance to give you the best picture possible. And that right there is the genius of it. This system is what kills that dreaded buffering wheel. The number one goal is a smooth, uninterrupted show for everybody. And the trade-off, of course, is that to make that work, the absolute best-case scenario quality has to be just a little bit lower than what you can cram onto a physical disc. So to kind of put a final point on it, here's a direct quote from the source material. It says that even with all the amazing tech in streaming, that high, steady bitrate from a Blu-ray disc still delivers a reference quality video that's superior. It's the current king of quality. But that leaves us with the big, fun question, doesn't it?
As our internet connections get faster and faster, and as these compression technologies get even smarter, how long will that be true? Is it just a matter of time before streaming finally completely closes that quality gap? Well, that's a future we'll just have to wait and watch. Thanks for joining me.